Is this 2020?
Yes.
Yeah? Should be, huh? Oh, that looks beautiful, God. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the 2020 Lincoln Aviator. Look at this masterpiece. I think Lincoln really stepped up their game on this design. You know, they really started with the Navigator. Now with this beautiful thing costing $72,000. But man, I don't know, like $72,000, that's just kind of, whew, that's really high for some people. But you know how it is, like Lincoln, I mean, American cars, the depreciation value of these cars are really significant. So if you're looking for one, I suggest you pretty much just wait and be patient. So this is the inside of the car, as you guys can see. Look at the buttons, like, you know, that's where you change your seat position and stuff like that. And then keep in mind, I'm 6'4", so but look at my legs. It's on top of there. But look at the interior of this thing. It's very minimal for a luxury car, but I think there's a market for minimal. I think there's people that are looking for a luxurious experience, but at the same time, just pretty much, trying to be as easy or friendly user as possible. And I think Lincoln, that's what they're trying to do here, because they know there's market for a luxury, but not too complicated to tackle or to use, So if you look at the, that's where you press the park, that's park rear, no more traditional, lever in the middle. That's it. Look at how big that storage is. Yeah, so anyway, so steering wheel. I mean, there's a lot on this car that is just very useful for an average user that don't really want too much complicated compared to the competition like the BMW and the Mercedes-Benz. So yeah, I mean, check this out. Look at the clouds on the speedometer area, and look at this standalone, infotainment system. So this is the rear area of the car. Keep in mind that front seat is all the way back to my side. I said, look at me, I still have a leg room, and I'm sitting in the back right now. So yeah, look at those seats, man, God. Yeah, so keep in mind, this is like an informal review of this car. I don't really review car. I don't do that, Let's look at the third row. Okay, so that's the left. I know. I thought it was like manual, but there's a button on pretty much on the right side. Oh, that's pretty fast. So that thing will go up, and that's a lever. Actually, yeah, see that the headrest is manual. So see, that's really fast. Look at that. That was really quick. I didn't really check the third row seating, but yeah, look at that. So there's one for the left and one for the right. And then the amazing thing about this Aviator, they have a button for both. Look at this, watch this. Boom. Both third row seat goes down. Too bad I don't fit in this car. I know, right?
I test drove one before. It's like, man. For SUV, you know. There it is, Ford GT. Facing seats. This one is 1,925. Base price 60 G's, and then total options is 11,690. Hey. This one should be right here. Oh, that's not open. So this is the Lincoln, not, what the hell? Lincoln Nautilus. 46,290. Base price is 4. Added option 750. That's nice. I think this is more ideal for my wife. Oh, look at this one. Window. Driver door is open. You got a sunroof? No sunroof. It's nice. 46. Ford got it right in this. You know, I'm not sure how they're gonna top this off, but they gotta enjoy this now because Cadillac got nothing, in my own opinion, on this Lincoln Navigator. They got it right on this, man. Seriously, they did. Let's check this other one out.